Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video, and today I'm finally going to announce the winner of the 8,000 subscribers Jeff Hardy Elite One giveaway. I thank you everyone so much for entering. I read all the comments, most of them were very nice and I really appreciate it. Now we're already at 9,200 plus subscribers, which is amazing. I can't wait to hit 10,000. There will definitely be another giveaway coming for 10,000. But right now I want to announce the winner for this giveaway. And the winner will pop up in 3, 2, 1. And there we go. The winner is Player 18. Of course, it was decided by random. Like I said, I read all the comments. Most of them were very nice. I appreciate all of them, but I had to make it random, so people won't be upset that I take a friend or whatever. So yeah, Player 18. You won this figure. Message me on Instagram or Twitter. If you don't have Instagram or Twitter, just leave me a comment here and we'll find another way so I can get your address and ship the Jeff Hardy out to you. Congratulations to you. Thanks to everyone who entered. I appreciate it. I hope all you guys keep watching. I hope we have 10,000 subscribers soon so I can make another giveaway. And yeah, like I said, thank you guys for watching again, and tomorrow will be GCW Breaking Ground on the GCW network. You should look forward to that. Then I have a huge new figure haul which is going to be uploaded Saturday or Sunday on this channel right here. So yeah, I hope you're looking forward to that too. And like I said, thank you guys for watching, and bye.